Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to activate power saving mode on your POCO X6 Pro smartphone. So first of all, we're going to the settings and we're going down to the battery settings right here. Then we will switch current mode from balanced to battery saver, or you can even turn on ultra battery saver right here. I will just turn on battery saver. Then we are going to the settings of battery saver, and you can even add some more functions as disable all on display when the economy mode on right here. Then you can also switch turn on the schedule time between modes, so it will start at 11 for example and end at 7 o'clock in the morning. And also you can set the mode to turn off when the battery is 50% charged at least. So I hope it was helpful and thank you for watching.